In a move that has set shockwaves through the political landscape, former FBI Director James Comey has been indicted by a federal grand jury, marking a dramatic escalation in former President Donald Trump's long-standing efforts to prosecute those he considers political adversaries. This development raises critical questions about the intersection of justice, politics, and accountability in America. But here's where it gets controversial. Comey, a figure who has been at the center of Trump's grievances for years, now faces federal charges tied to the 2016 investigation into alleged collusion between Trump's campaign and Russia, a probe that has been a thorn in Trump's side since his presidency began. Trump didn't hold back in his reaction, taking to Truth Social to declare, "Justice in America. One of the worst human beings this country has ever been exposed to is James Comey, the former corrupt head of the FBI. This indictment, however, isn't just about settling old scores. Comey is charged with making false statements and obstructing a congressional proceeding during his September 30th, 2020 testimony to the Senate Judiciary Committee. If convicted, he could face up to 5 years in prison. And this is the part most people miss. The charges stem from allegations that Comey lied about authorizing leaks of classified information to the media, a claim he denies. In an Instagram video, Comey responded defiantly, saying, "Let's have a trial and keep the faith." He added, "My heart is broken for the Department of Justice, but I have great confidence in the federal judicial system, and I'm innocent." Meanwhile, Attorney General Pam Bondi emphasized, "No one is above the law," framing the indictment as a commitment to holding those who abuse power accountable. But is this truly about justice, or is it politically motivated retribution? That's the question sparking heated debate. The charges were brought by Lindsay Halligan, Trump's former personal attorney and the new top prosecutor in the Eastern District of Virginia. Halligan, who had never presented to a grand jury before, underwent a crash course with DOJ attorneys and FBI officials to prepare. During the hearing, a judge announced that 14 jurors agreed to indict Comey on the counts of false statements and obstruction. Notably, the grand jury declined to indict him on a third charge, a rare occurrence in federal court, related to his testimony about an alleged plan by Hillary Clinton during the 2016 campaign. This case has already had ripple effects. Comey's son-in-law, Troy A. Edwards Jr., resigned from his position as a senior national security prosecutor shortly after the indictment, citing his oath to the Constitution. Behind the scenes, tensions are high. Bondi has faced pressure from Trump to pursue charges against his political enemies, while attorneys within the Eastern District of Virginia expressed reservations about the case's strength in a memo obtained by ABC News. If they are guilty, or if they should be charged, and we have to do it now. But is this pursuit of justice or a politically charged vendetta? Some view Halligan's role as a calculated move to please Trump, while others argue that if Trump faced prosecution, figures like Comey should too. Comey is set to be arraigned on October 9th in Alexandria, Virginia, and the nation will be watching closely. Here's the controversial question we're left with. Is this indictment a legitimate pursuit of justice or a politically motivated attack? And does it set a dangerous precedent for how political adversaries are treated in the future? Share your thoughts in the comments. This is a debate that demands your voice.